we're learning from our mistakes, I guess. We had parked the car in the shade of that big wild fig tree that we'd seen in the previous vlog, and that's obviously prevented any sunlight hitting our solar panels, and thus it did not charge our batteries. And to top it all, we had lights on, we had fridges on, we had everything on that could be on the car that previous night. So we woke up to a morning where everything was flat. We could not lower our roofs because the battery was flat also.
It's 10 o'clock Angolan time. We were a bit late today to start the journey. We were delayed by our solar panel issue. We used up all the power yesterday. We were very extravagant with our power usage yesterday. We left on the floodlight at the back of the car for quite some time, and that kind of drained our battery. A resident of Iona. These are water points. There's water. Maybe there's no water. Post office. Posto de Saúde.
It's open. There's a door.
Yes. Post office is open.
A little kid waving.
Furiously waving. Small shaded area for the animals. So that was the village of Iona that we just passed through. There is obviously water here. That's why there's so many people living here, and you see clothes are washed and hung. So obviously there's either a running stream close by or some underground source of water. Mango tree. I see a mango tree. We are obviously rare sights, so you can see the curious onlookers from the village. It's quite dusty, sandy. Some villagers on donkeys. This is a riverbed. That's why all the sand. No stones, so it's very different. It's more flat, plain lands around. See, it's so different, the landscape.
It's actually quite beautiful, and the roads are a bit corrugated, so it shakes the vehicle up nicely. It's beautiful, just beautiful.
We are off again.
We are reaching beacon number 60. water here.
We're going down into the valley. So the aim is to get to the mouth of the Kunene River.
Cutting through these mountains, hopefully with the intention of finding a river at the end of it. We will see how far we get.
Wow! Look at that! We've got water, river, and that's the camp, the Kahirongo River Camp that we see at the
It's the
back.
Kunene River.
Sure. Flowing river.
Oh, we'll have a bath in this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, if we're going downstream, follow Manny.
Turn around. This is our campsite for today. We are camped next to the Kunene River. This is where we'll be staying overnight. We've already had a wash in the river. This mountains on the left, and we'll be camping here. Across the river is a river camp, a proper hotel. It doesn't look like it is inhabited, but yes, but we like our setting better.
The camper is bathing the last bits of the sun. Hopefully the battery is charging up.
The sun is setting, so that is the west. And you can see the last rays of sun. Such a beautiful campsite with the sound of the roaring river, nice breeze, beautiful skies, and these majestic mountains on the left and on the right. That's our dinner being prepared. So these three-legged pots are called the poiki pots, and these are cast iron pots being cooked over open fire. That's where we are sitting. That's some of the people who are up there, gone sundowner. This is our view from the camper. The sun is setting.